Hello Galiday, kumusta na po kayo? Kumusta po ang inyong mga paa? Kumusta po ang ating mga kamay na malapit sa puso at malapit po sa ating body system? Kumusta po ang ating mga daliri? Nakakasuffer ba kayo ng pamamanhid or tingling sensation lalo na sa madaling araw at paggising sa umaga? Kailan ka ho nagpa-check up, nagpa-body analysis? Alam niyo po ba ang ating mga paa, ang ating mga fingers, related po yan sa ating body cycle system, lalo na po sa ating colon. At alam niyo po ba itong guts na ito ay very important to build up our healthy body. Ito po isang paalala lamang.
Colon, the final segment of the digestive tract, often associated only with waste, yet essential to absorption, balance, and microbial life. It begins where the small intestine ends, forming a long, looping pathway that frames the abdominal cavity. As material enters, most nutrients have already been absorbed, but the colon takes over what remains. Its primary role is water recovery. Fluid is drawn back into the body, thickening the contents from liquid into formed stool, while electrolytes are carefully balanced. But the colon does more than absorb. It is home to trillions of bacteria, the gut microbiota, living in a dense ecosystem along its lining. These microbes break down undigested material, ferment fibers, and produce compounds that can influence metabolism, immunity, and gut health. As this process continues, movement begins. Wave-like contractions called peristalsis push material forward, slowly guiding it toward elimination. And during this time, the colon monitors, absorbs, and interacts, constantly adjusting based on hydration, diet, and internal signals. When disrupted, balance shifts. Too little absorption can lead to diarrhea. Too much can lead to constipation. And changes in microbial composition can affect how the system functions. Quiet, complex, and densely active, the colon is more than waste storage. It is a water regulator, a microbial hub, and a final processor of what the body chooses to keep.
90% of ailments is from our colon, the guts. Lahat po ng sakit natin nagsisimula sa maruming bituka. Kaya libre po ang ating analysis, ang ating nail analysis. Pa-check nyo na. Okay ba ang mga kuko mo? Pa-check mo na. Kuko sa paa, kuko sa kamay. You know why? Ito yung mapa ng ating kalusugan. Na para na rin kayo nagpatingin ng inyong dila at ng inyong mga mata. Part of it, ang ating kuko ay pinakamalapit po sa ating bloodstream ending point na related mismo dyan sa ating mga kamay. Lalo na kung mayroong mga pain reactions at nagbibigay ito ng lack of oxygen sa ating mga lymph nodes, yung sensor, capability, and the capacity ng how to hold ng anumang bagay, mabigat man yan o magaan, nagsisimula yan sa kamay. Nagsasuffer ka rin ba ng mga tingling sensation pagising sa umaga sa iyong mga fingers, including also sa inyong finger web? Pa-check mo na, libre po ito, free analysis for you. God day mga kababayan. Andito po tayo ngayon sa CIA Bayanihan, CIA Bayanihan 22nd Anniversary. At ito po ang proper lineup dito po sa PICC. And mga kababayan, isa na naman po makapuluhang araw para po sa inyo mga kabayani. Ikaw, ako, kayo, tayo lahat magbayan niya.
Flyer 1, Waba Moringa. Our heritage of health, history and story, the natural treasure of the Philippines, from then until now. Long before foreign settlers arrived and modern medicine existed, our land was already blessed with two precious gifts, guava and moringa. These plants grow naturally in our archipelago and have been trusted companions of our ancestors for hundreds of generations. Guava has been known since ancient times as the tree of healing. Historically, it was always planted near every home. Folk healers and elders used every part of it, leaves, bark, stems, and roots, as medicine for wounds, stomach ailments, and for cleansing the body. This shows the wisdom of our forefathers, who wasted nothing from nature's bounty. Moringa, on the other hand, was called the tree of life or miracle tree. It was originally cultivated and developed right here in our country. In ancient times, it was considered a sacred plant because it was believed to provide strength and complete nutrition for the whole family. It was used to boost the body's health, increase breast milk for nursing mothers, and fight all kinds of sickness. It is said that in the past, whenever someone fell ill, moringa was the very first remedy prepared, as it serves as both food and medicine at the same time. When our ancestors discovered that combining the healing power of guava with the nourishing strength of moringa made them even more potent and effective, guava moringa was born. From tradition to modern times. In the old days, leaves were boiled and prepared as teas or washes. Today, we have advanced this using nanotechnology. Every part of the plant is carefully processed and turned into a fine powder, then securely packed in airtight pouches. Through this method, freshness and full potency are preserved, locking in all natural benefits. Absorption is faster and more efficient by the body due to the ultra-fine particle size. Convenient to carry, use, and store, bringing traditional wisdom into modern daily life. This is a Filipino creation, born from our own experience, enhanced by science, tested by time, and proven by research. Health benefits, based on tradition and history. Guava, bayabas, the cleanser and healer. Based on our ancestors' knowledge, now more effective as a powder. Wound healing, rich in natural antiseptic and antibacterial properties, helps cleanse and heal the body from inside and out, preventing infection and speeding up recovery. Digestive health, the trusted remedy since ancient times for diarrhea, upset stomach, vomiting, and abdominal pain. Stops fluid loss and cleanses the digestive tract naturally. Oral hygiene, eliminates bad breath, strengthens gums, and relieves toothaches, keeping the mouth clean and healthy. Fever and pain relief, helps lower body temperature during fevers, reduces inflammation, and relieves general body aches and discomfort. Skin care and beauty, purifies the blood and body, resulting in clearer, smoother skin, free from rashes, acne, and irritations. Moringa, malunggay, the strengthener and nourisher. Based on our ancestors' wisdom, empowered by modern technology, complete nutrition, known as nature's multivitamin, packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and protein, containing more nutrients than many common foods. As a powder, all nutrients remain intact and highly concentrated. Immune system booster, the best defense against coughs, colds, flu, and infections. Strengthens the body's natural defense system to keep sickness away. Women's health, the most essential plant for nursing mothers, a natural and safe way to increase breast milk production and quality for the baby. Blood circulation and health, helps maintain normal blood pressure and regulates blood sugar levels. Safe and beneficial for heart health and overall wellness. Energy and stamina, provides strength, vitality, and endurance, perfect for farmers, workers, students, and anyone needing extra energy. Combined power, guava moringa, in powder form. When combined and processed into powder using advanced technology, these are the powerful results. 1. Heals and nourishes. Guava cleanses and heals, while moringa strengthens and feeds the body, two essential benefits in one product. 2. Faster and more effective. Thanks to nanotechnology, the fine powder is absorbed quickly and used efficiently by your body, much better than raw leaves or traditional preparations. 3. Safe and fresh. Packed in sealed airtight pouches to ensure long-lasting freshness, purity, and protection from contaminants. 4. Safe for everyone. Gentle and natural. Safe for babies, children, adults, the elderly, and nursing mothers, with no known side effects. 5. Accessible and affordable. Grown and sourced locally in the Philippines, always available and within everyone's reach. Footer, from our ancestors, enhanced by science, for our future. Guava moringa, true Filipino health now even more powerful as powder. Flyer 2, short version, quick read. Guava moringa, guava plus moringa. Ours, proven, the people's remedy now as powder. Our history. originated and grown right here in the Philippines. For over 500 years, our ancestors have used guava to treat wounds and stomach problems, and moringa as food and natural strengthener. The name Waba Moringa comes from our own language and traditions, proof that this is truly Filipino. Today, we have elevated it further, processed into ultrafine powder using nanotechnology, and packed in airtight pouches. This preserves freshness and ensures every serving is full of potency and nutrition. Health benefits, traditional and scientific. Guava, diarrhea and stomach relief, the #1 trusted remedy from past to present. Wound healing and infection control, kills bacteria, cleanses, and protects the body. Oral hygiene, removes bad breath, strengthens gums and teeth. Fever and inflammation reduction, restores normal body temperature and relieves pain. Skin and blood cleanser, removes rashes, acne, and skin irritations naturally. Moringa, loaded with vitamins and minerals, rich in iron, calcium, vitamins A and C, and protein. Immune system booster, protects against sickness, coughs, colds, and flu. Increases breast milk supply, trusted by mothers for generations. Regulates blood pressure and sugar, keeps heart and body healthy and balanced. Energy and vitality, extra strength for daily work, activities, and recovery. When combined, cleansing, healing, strength, nourishment. Nanotechnology, ultra-fine, faster absorption, maximum effect. Sealed pouches, maintains freshness, quality, and potency. 100% natural, grown in the Philippines, no chemicals added. Health was already in our backyard, and now it's in every pouch.
Okay, this one is from Bayanihan Wellness Pilipinas and Aerotaichi Group Philippines. You can contact at 0936-264-5049. Sa Bayanihan, mayroon na tayong WABA, WABA or Wellness Authentic Bayabas with a combination of Bio-Moringa, ang buhay ng moringa or malunggay sa Pilipinas, with a combination of our touching lives with free energy healing only here at Bayanihan Wellness Pilipinas.